Hello and welcome to myminimaths.co.uk video tutorials. And today we're going to be looking at dividing a whole number by 10, 100 and 1000. So on to question 1, which is 50 divided by 10. Now of course this is a question you could very easily do in your head, and that's absolutely fine, but just to sort of illustrate what's happening, if we take the 50, which is our units and tens, and then we are dividing by 10, which means all our digits are getting one space smaller. So if I take my 5 and I move it one space backwards to the right, smaller, into the units, I get a final answer of 5. And next we're on to question 2, which is 700 divided by 100. And again, it's a question you could do very easily in your head, which is fine. But again, just to show you how this works, if I take the 700 and write it out, and then I'm going to be dividing by 100, which is the same as saying divide by 10, divide by 10 again. So we're going to move it two spaces smaller, two spaces to the right. So we're going to take our 7, I'm going to move it one space, two spaces into the units column for a final answer of 7. And next, question 3, which is 400 divided by 100. Again, looking at it purely from a written point of view, just to see what is happening, how the digits affected when we divide by 100. So it's dividing by 10 and divide by 10 again, so that's two spaces smaller. So if we take our 400 and we move the 4 two spaces, so divide by 10, which is the same as dividing by 100, our 4 finishes in our units for a final answer of 4. And on to our final question for today, which is question 4, which is 2000 divided by 1000. And again, if we take our 2000 here and we divide it by 1000, which is the same as saying divide by 10, divide by 10 and divide by 10 for a third time, so that's 3 spaces smaller. Our 2 moves into the hundreds, then again into the tens, and then again into the units, leaving our 2 in the units to give a final answer of 2. Again, it's very important to note that all these questions can easily be calculated in your head using mental division, but I just wanted to show you how the numbers move when we divide by 10, 100 and 1000. Thank you very much for listening today, and I look forward to speaking to you again soon. Take care. Bye.